DJM TV.
Nama people, they don't carry leg enter Wole Soyinka house for Abeokuta. My correct Sabino's person there. I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That place will be like say you dey get better informate them on top what they happen for our country Nigeria and all around the world. May you not forget to like and to share this video, and in case you never subscribe, I beg, do well to touch that subscribe button and touch the bell waiting for this so that you will be part of this one big family. Matter what we carry come today, so it concern Nobel Prize winner will be Professor Wole Soyinka as Nama people then carry leg enter a house for Abeokuta for Ijegba forest. You know say Wole Soyinka house, it no be like the regular big man house what we know. Oga Wole Soyinka no dey like they do ashoma fefe. They like they live a life on a very simple term. So a house dey for forest, for Ijegba forest for Abeokuta then. According to report wey reach us, it also the Nama man now, he enter Oga Wole Soyinka house. He called us say, he dey find cow. Oga Wole go out and say, bros, what do you do for here? He said one of the cow waka mistakenly enter Oga Wole Soyinka house. Na call fine. Oga Wole Soyinka cutlass, uya, carry yourself, make you turn back, make you fly more my ass. You know the matter now. The guy call, go as the guy they go, Oga Wole call police. You know that kind of police call show like this. Police call, so they call look around the area. Go talk and say, the Nama guy don't really call for attack or call fight the guy. He said he just defined the cow where he lost. He said the one just tell that one said the record straight. The guy where they call Awalu Mohammed, they find one of the cows where they miss, and he got decide to check around the Kanta estate where Oga Soyinka house dey, and then at then when Oga come see and Oga say carry your Nama come out for this place. Say police quickly come, check the area. They call, ask the guy wetin dey sup. So they profile the guy, make sure everything dey okay. They inspect Oga Wole house, see as no damage was done, they no tamper with anything. As people they talk say they tamper with him, but they no tamper with anything. And say the Fulani herdsmen no come with the view to kill Oga Wole. Now Oga Wole don't move go Lagos now since after this thing, because he don't know what it is up. We remember I said this matter they come days after Oga Wole write one recommendation give Oga Bubu where it say go help for the fight against this herdsmen wahala then. Oga Wole for to say herdsmen they don't carry their wahala reach our domot. So when the first the other states like Benue, Plateau State with the shout, Oga Presido do something, Oga Presido do something, Oga Presido no go do anything. Now the herdsmen don't carry their wahala reach Idomot. How e go be now? But we not go turn to I say we be slave for our own land. Oga Wole to say we get any way believe say they fit act any way they like, say because they believe say nothing go fit happen to them as maybe their person dey for up for them. Even for your state, it also we say the Korofo they actually they escort these LGBT people there. It be like say Korofo na their bodyguard, and they follow there, they flog and they beat victims them. Say that one no go fit happen if the people they conscious of the nature of the enemy and they no permit them. Say now they don't permit and encourage them to mobilize on behalf of themselves and to collaborate with security. Oga Wole also to say the thing not surprise am as Governor Rotimi Akeredolu for Ondo State give the Nama people the ultimatum make they carry their law comot for the forest of the state. He say as a matter of fact, he don't say wey know say the thing go reach this level. Say even though say the order cause a lot of reaction, and see they cause a lot of reaction now. Say key stakeholders and even the citizens they react to this ultimatum where they give Nama people. He say he don dey shout quietly and loudly. Say even make use of the opportunity to even seek audience with the security. chiefs them to tell them to say these people don dey penetrate into the forest o, na dem be the enemy o, make una now na go do am o. E dey talk say say part of a house dey for forest, and him dey enter with him fellow hunters dem. Dem dey see wetin these people dey do, dem dey see the akamuka wey dem dey cause. E say we wey be ordinary citizens even the former military officers dem, we dey see how dis herdsmen dey rubbish the farms of people. We even get one time wey dem kidnap one Olu. Say dem even don dey threa ten him farm for long time before dem even do dis one sef. See all these people don come very close to our doorstep. Na say before dem bin dey Benue, dem bin dey Plateau, dem dey other states. Say but now the thing don reach the doorstep. E say we wan wait until dem come begin dey cause wahala jibiti like say na normal thing before we go talk. Say wetin dem wan make we do now wey be like say the war don reach our door. Say the only thing na for citizens to mobilize themselves, enter. Say if we continue to wait for federal government to handle this matter, say all of us go become slave for our land o. That one na if e never already dey happen sef. E say that na something like say we no fit tolerate, we no fit accept am at all at all. E say anything when e go take, e dey ready to contribute to make the government know say e dey solidly behind them, so that the people go fit live in peace and in dignity. E say because e no get time for one person to come rubbish the dignity of his state. As the matter go take end, the prof got to say the biggest fear na the fact say Nigeria wan enter one phase wey be like say fight go dey every corner. The thing go cut on to maybe fit go lead to civil war. E say this thing e no dey sweet her for body. E say but na the way the thing dey go now, because the citizens dem don tire for this whole situation and everybody go react. E say im dey glad say the governors dem don begin dey take action, and they don dey pull, and groups like the Meyetia that they don dey talk the talk, they don dey do things to make sure say everybody dey agree to obey the laws of the land. He say im dey glad say various groups don come together too. He say we need force so that everything go dey fair, and he need the government to look into this matter too. He say he hope say they go soon disarm those people dem, they'll go back to where they from come. And they say before herdsmen dey share food for am, dey share food with her for forest. So say na only stick and radio that they carry. Say but now they don get all the professional weapons the way police and even Korofo dey use. Say the matter sef e tire am. When they come answer say Oga Wole, okay, wetin Oga Presido go do? E come say Oga Presido need to stop all this palava wey dey happen. And say wetin he go do? He need to address the nation in a very strong, clear, very openly. Oga Wole to say yes, so he na patron of a cattle rears association, but he get ranch. Wetin dey do it things? He no dey take people land. He no dey fight people. He no dey take people things. He say he expect say Oga Presido go chook mouth for this matter. Say and as long as he no wan put mouth on the matter, so say the thing e get as e go be, e go just still continue as e be. Na after all this talk wey Oga Wole talk, e no too tey, nama people say dem dey find cow inside im house. How you see this thing? No be like set up, chook mouth for this matter. Wetin dem go find for im house? How the thing take enter e compound? This whole thing e get as e dey be. Come like anybody talk concerning this matter, e dey always dey attack the person. Where we dey go for this country, we never know. But we dey hope say our leaders dey go do the right thing, so that katakata no go burst for this country. May not go reach the side like everybody go say every man for himself. Because if you reach that stage, you know say Nigeria wey we dey, wetin don start, e dey hard to stop. If you reach that stage, na there the bad people say we can't even begin use am take dey do plenty akamuka for the country. Chook my put for this matter. Drop your comment for the comment section. Baby, don't forget to like and to share this video. Don't forget that this is still DJM TV daily news update. And me where they always they bring you this news. So I still be your girl and your country sister Lawo Favor. They tell you say may you not put your hand for something where go cost you your future.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.